we got Golem Netflix through 390.
Oh, this Netflix is so tricky. Everyone's asking me about this Netflix. I'm not sure. And I don't know how the fuck this is a coronavirus play. This is like, yo, the world is going crazy if Netflix is a coronavirus play. But I see the level at 380. You're right? It's like, oh my God. I see the level at 380, and it's doing a decent flag in front of it. The only problem for me is that this thing uptrended so hard from 260 to 380. There's not much sideways action in it. It's just been in an uptrend. So it could move higher through this base area, through this resistance area, but it's not at the top of my list because I didn't catch any of this move from 260 to 380, 390, whatever that is. So I feel like, it's a tough buy for me up here through this resistance level after it gave kind of not the easier move, but it already had that run where now it's like, I don't know. I like the level and I see it and it could work out, but I'm not taking this trade personally.
Yeah, no, I agree with it because even as nice as level looks, it's like your next level is 420. So it's like, again, for Golem or anyone, it's like if you miss the 130-point run, and then again, this looks great, but it's like the next level is going to be 420. So it's, you got to risk 30 points here to get that retest 30 points. It's, it's like 1-to-1. Sometimes you got to just wait for the, those better setups. And lastly, we got Ricardo. We're going to DVA through this 84, more of a